Everybody, it's Heat Override, and I'm ready to bring the pain for you today. As I'm gonna do some, I'm gonna unbox and open some cards. So we got two of these right here. So there's gonna be guaranteed some old, kind of crazy cards in here. Could even be like wrestling cards in here. And then I got some dog tags. So we're gonna do the dog tags first. All right. So hope everybody's having a good night. Catch that most recent episode of Bring the Pain, where I had a good time talking about SummerSlam. Went 7-1 for picks, but that's not why we're here. We're here for this. So let's see what we got here. Okay, okay. Oh, this isn't too bad. Nice little chain. All right, and we got a zombie. Walker number 12. Okay. Next one. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Yep. Got Maggie, of course. I was just trying to figure out if we can get that. 5. Number 5. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So that's cool. She gets a green kind of chain, so that's kind of neat. You know, these are kind of cool. You can use those for many different things, so that's kind of neat. You know, you got that. With all that stuff right there. You get a card. So you get like it's like a 3D illusion card. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, let's get to the meat and potatoes. Having a few drinks tonight. So let's get this unboxing. Now usually these come with one good card, so like sometimes. So then you just kind of like put that one off to the side. You know, we'll see if we get some old crazy kind of cards in here. So what I wanted to show you is this. You get this. 2019 opening day special tops, 7 trading cards. So alright, let's start it off. Well, that's a nice card. Ivan Rodriguez, Pug. You know, so I'm gonna check that out. Alright. Mr. Jackson. So there's my buddy, he's a Reggie Jackson fan. He had this crazy. So Carl Daniels, look at the 4 shades were cool. I had cool shades. Felix Jose, okay. Matt Sinatra. Oh hey Yadi. Oh. All right, we got Anaheim Angels. We got Matt Parrish. And look at him. He's like he's just listening to a joke. And he's like, oh, you got me on that one. Alright. Gabe White. Back for hire. Alright. We got Wetland. Wetland. That's just too good. And this one we got, this is a kind of nice card right here. A little thicker. Julio Veras. Whatever. Kind of cool. Alright. So you get side by side right here. Don Lemon and Tom Purdy. Yeah, I always have like little things. Oh my god. If this doesn't define the whole era, those jeans, the stonewashed jeans. I mean, oh my god. And look, it just gives you a whole bunch of this is great. They went in the woods. He still has the collared shirt on. Look at. And hey, I have this really good place over here. It's really good. I gotta keep that one forever. Just because I'll always know that. Jesse Garfield. Okay. Alright, we got Jose Mota. And we got Dickie Thon. Dickie Thon. Alrighty then. It actually beats the other one. The shirt. That beats the shirt. Kelly Gruber. Serious about hitting. Joel Johnston. Serious about pitching. Juan Belly's like, hey, some guy trying to take my sandwich over there? What the hell is that man in my lunch for? He's getting mad. Charlie Huff. Todd Van Poppel. Todd Van Poppel. Alright. Jim Rice. Not to be confused with Jerry Rice. Marty Bystrom. Ron Hodges. This is a kind of cool card. Okay, what is it? It's Ray Ordonez. Hell yeah! That's a really good card right there. Hell yeah. You gotta like these. Sometimes you get some really good pulls, you know, and you just like, even if nostalgia, Corey Snyder. He is a designated hitter. That really sucks when you got that on your David Wainhouse. Oh, that's 2 cards. Yeah, rookie. Give me a better one. Ray Langford. Tommy Boggs. Wade Boggs' forgotten cousin. Kevin, you want base? How low do you go? Death row. Derek Bell. Okay, what's he trying to tell me? Alright, what we got? Oh, I don't know, the Shields. Hell yeah, I always love this guy. Nice, nice, nice. Joe Graham. It's a collector's choice, we'll keep it. Ryan Bowen. Rene Gonzalez. Chris Bozio. Wow. Todd Worrell. Yeah. Chris Navels. Brian Dubois. Dave Schmidt. Look at those Expos uniforms, man. You gotta miss those. You gotta miss those. This is Juan Salmon. Kirk Jussendorf. Ooh, this is now this is some funny shit, because this has a price on it, and it's a signed pick, and it's Travis Hoffner. They were charging $3 for this. Wow, that's awesome. That's see? First round pick. There we go. There we go. Oh. I mean, Freddie's awesome. This, you know, this is a good 5th-year card. It's a hype card. Jim Abbott. Sean Green. I remember when he came to the Dodgers, it was like I was like hoping he was gonna do something, and yeah, did okay. Lance Dickinson, rated rookie. Todd Frazier, when he was young. David Freese, always a good player, whatever. Aaron Wilkinson, it's a nice card. That's a rookie card too, whatever, you know. Never know. Never know. And we ain't even done yet. I got all this, and then I have a whole nother pack. So let's start out. Tommy Malone rookie card. Whoo. Kurt Neuenhuis rookie card. And that's alright. Christian Benfield. Brandon Brennan. First Bowman card. Nice. Ooh. That's a nice card. Jordan Swaggerty. Nice. Nice cards. Nice cards. That's what I'm talking about. And you get these from Rite Aid. I mean, they do charge like $5 for them. So Barrett Barnes, first Bowman, whatever. Brian LaRossa, first Bowman. Ooh. Brian McCann, Allen and Ginters. Ooh-wee. Nice. Nice. Alright, this is Steven Gonzalez. He's got a long neck. Got like Egyptian on it. Bobby Doerr. He's so old. Ricky Jordan. Whew. Joe Carter. I've always had a soft spot for Will Clark. Whatever. Bobby Thigpen. Kevin Blankenship. Alright. Robbie Thompson. Vance. I am the law. Speed and power. Eric, there's Tim Raines. Alright, alright. Nice setup on that one. Jack Morris. Of course, gotta have a Reggie Jackson card. 1990 Todd Zeile rookie card. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, alright. Not bad. Another one. Sandy Alomar Jr. Yeah, he was cool. Keep him. Craig Mercury. I'm a Mercury over here. Mackie Sassy. I'm Mackie Sassy this ball. Right after Len Stryker hits it. Dallas Green, the Yankees manager. Will Tejada. Oh, shit. I can't believe I just dropped that. Did not bend. Tops 2000. Tony Clark. Yeah, that was a nice card. Chad Kruger. It's a chiropractor. This guy looks bothered. Just crapped himself. Walt Terrell. Mike Greenwell. Okay. Ken Daly. Ozzie Guillen. Got some Brooke Jacoby. Todd Burns. Ricky Alera. Gary Chieti. Chris Bozio. Looks like a baseball player. Pat Stanek. Chris Brown, not to be confused with the, Alright, so we got Rob Deere. Tim Drummond. Wally Backman. Jeff Reardon. Alan Mills. And Tim Nerd. Alright, that was a fun little pool there. I think I got some nice pools. Like, I mean, I got a card that was definitely worth it. Came in plastic and everything. And that's just awesome. Now these right here, Lil Dren. Let's start down here. Matt Carpenter opening day. Edwin Encarnacion. Joey Gallo. That's nice. Slider. Justin Smoke. James Talley. I don't care about him. Derek Dietrich. Man. Alright, well, here we go. The next one. So this is going to be start to the end of it. I hope everybody's having a good time. I hope you guys agree with some of these pulls. It's nice. Or maybe if you guys see something that you want that I might have threw in this pile, just let me know, man. Just let me know. If you bring the pain a like, follow, share, or heat over, I'd like, follow, share. I'll send it to you for free, man. I'm all about being cool like that. Because I'm cool like that, Cool one. Alright, so we got the opening day pack again. Okay. Let me take a drink. Jose Alvarez, not the guy who constantly swings the ball and never hits it. Frankie White. Johnny Parodies. Kirk Matt skills, man. He got mad cat skills. Don Ass. Don Ass. This big ass. Fucking mustache. Jody Reed. Because you can't have a weirder last name for a first name. Bob James. Bob James. Looks like he just got back from a kegger. I don't know what's up. There you go. Randy Bush. He's serious. Mike Marshall. Woo! It's a Dodger. I always keep Dodgers. Richard Dotson. Dave Stieb. Alright, I think I got the Fred McGriff. Willie Blair. Oscar Azucar. Carmelo Martinez. Storm Davis, ready to storm you with a ball. Howard Farmer. State Farm is there. Steve Bouchelet. Ooh, okay. That's nice. That's a nice card. Mike Stanton, nice card, nice card. Nothing to really jump up and down about. Oh man, look at this. Diamond Tributes, Jeff Bagwell. Look at this thickness. 20 of 30. Woo! It's a nice rookie. Sid Bream Krill, Bream Krill. Everybody loves Bream Krill. Ron Kakavas. German Jimenez. Neil Allen. And his buddy Mike Young. Jody Reed's brother, Jerry Reed. I'm probably wrong, so don't go looking me up. I'm not gonna. Johnny Mitchell. Dave Meads. Juan Beniz. Quez, whatever. Franklin Stubbs. You're on my wing for this one. Phil Bradley. They gave him like an extra space in there. Ted Herrera. Nothing special. Ozzie Smith. He was always a great player. Nice. Boo Alred. John Farrell. Andre Santana. Manny Lee. Ooh. Mike Schmidt passes Joe DiMaggio. Kelly Gruber. Cantrell. How did that guy get player of the month, man? Noah Syndergaard. Cool. Whoa. Okay. Damn. Kind of like a throwback, kind of. I mean, it isn't like it's old, but it's like a throwback to. It's kind of cool. Like Nessus. Scott Sizemore. Rookie. These cards always do this. It's just overpowering. Alright. Ooh. I love Gypsy Queens. Look at this. A Gene Segura Gypsy Queen. Number 57. Josh Donaldson. Alex Colomé. Oh. Sean Burnett. It's a nice Salvador Perez card. Okay, we got Sean Coyle, Jordan Montgomery. It's an all-star rookie, so he's not too bad. More Defoe. Dustin Pedroia. 4 hits in debut. Delonte Shields. Ooh, this guy's like a thing on the back. That's kind of cool. Nice. Nice. Nick Hundley. Charlie Rotzeret. Brian Hunter. Colby Rasmuth. That's a name. Jeff Hudson. Ooh, got another one in. What? What? Damn. Nice. Nice. Darryl Strawberry. Daryl Eugene Strawberry. Barry Manuel. Brett Saberhagen. This guy. That's what he's doing right there. Okay. Getting to the end here. Beers kicked. Dave Nilsson. Matt Clement. Bob Patterson. Kubi Ritter. He looks old as fuck. And that's our leader. I always have some. He's cool. Mike Mussina. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, Ray Durham. Nice card there. This is a nice card. Okay. So, I mean, the players suck, but sometimes the cards are nice to have. Okay, this is Mike Maddox. J. Bell. Tom Herter. Mike Crooker. Bob McDonald. Ooh, yay, Kirk Gibson. Love that guy. Gary Nielsen. Chris Savin. Gary Sheffield. Hell yeah. I don't know. Greg Hubbard. Darren Lewis. John Carudi. Ooh. It's a nice Mark McGwire. Wow. Okay. Nice. Nice. All right. Ron Darling. Tim Tillefson. Phil Hughes. Tonight. Dennis Martinez, MVP. Whatever. Keep it. Kevin Mitchell. Kind of a cool little metal card to that. Chris Haney, rookie. Whatever. Mark Walton, we don't care. Sean Barry. See, I didn't get a lot of doubles. Wally Backman. So that's kind of cool. Brian McGray. Jeff Manto. Mike Witt. Chris Crone. And Bob Sebra. Here we go. Ooh. Shit. Mike Fulton looks. Corey Dickerson. Bogarts. Andrew Bogarts. Pirates. Patriot. Nice. Bryce Harper. Kichiyuchi. Charlie Blackmon. There you go. So, get this. All those cool little cards in there. Get there. You guys saw what I pulled. Really nice list. It was really fun. I hope everybody enjoyed it. This one's a little longer, but hey, I tried to get through them. I have to go buy more of these packs. Till then, everybody have a great day. And ooh, yeah. Always remember to bring the pain. Yeah. Bring the pain.